Hello guys, I am Pham. I am General Manager of Jeans Resource Company. Our company is in Ho Chi Minh City of Vietnam. We have sewing, cutting, embroidering, printing, washing, finishing and packing in-house, which help us to kind of control the quality of the products better. Our MOQ is kind of flexible, just from 200 pieces for per color to up to 10,000 pieces for per color. Remember, our production, we just only do denim and khaki products like jeans, pants, skirts, dresses, and jackets. Just for example, for this pants, so just so you know that we have many customers from other countries. So these customers, they are from Japan, and these are their products. So as you can see, we can do like writing right here. We can do destroy effect right here. And about this one, we have to do the 3D effect. This one is PP sprayed, and you know, this is not like 100% cotton. It's cotton stretch. I guess this will be around like 98% cotton with 2% elastan. So, oh yeah, we have embroidery right here also. So guys, if you have any questions for us, like about the tech pack, about the price, about anything about denim, you can just send us. You can reach us through Zalo, WhatsApp, WeChat, and or maybe from our website www.jeansresourcevn.com. I think that's it for today. Bye guys, and by the way, welcome to Vietnam.
Hi, my name is Chris, a Vietnam sourcing expert with 15 years of experience helping clients find factories fast here in Vietnam. I recommend Jeans Resource if you need jean jackets, jean pants, or khaki pants produced in Vietnam. Thanks for listening. Have a great day, and remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.